Here I have Samsung Galaxy M23, and today I'm going to show you how to take screenshot on this device. So to do this, all you need to do is just hold down power key plus volume down at the same time, and that's how you can take screenshot. So just press them at once, power key, volume down, and that's how it's done. You can find your screenshots in gallery, in the screenshots album, and here they are. And from here you can share, edit or delete these screenshots. So yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.